In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a digital vision board and why you need one. So if you want to get started in manifestation in a digital world, this video is for you. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm Dr. Dito and I make videos on productivity, social media growth, and lifestyle. I'm feeling very festive today. We got the flannel, we got the pumpkin. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below to make your dreams follow you. Before we start, here is this week's Goya Go-Getter. If you want to be featured in my next video, make sure to hit me up in the comments below or on Instagram. And let's connect one-on-one. Hit me up on Instagram at Dr. Dito or join my private Facebook group, the Goya Go-Getters, for exclusive videos and daily inspiration. All those links are in the description. I love a good vision board. I love making them. I'm a total advocate for them. This is mine. And I really think that it's important to have a vision board so you can visualize and manifest every day what your goals and intentions are for your life in the future. And I recently spoke at a vision board workshop, and as well I had made a video in the past last summer. Check it out up here. And a lot of people came out to me and asked me, well, I don't really see the point in making a vision board. I find it very tiresome. I only keep it in one spot. I feel like I never look at it. And I was like, well, why don't you just make a digital one? And for some reason it was groundbreaking. I thought everybody was doing this already. Personally, in my opinion, I think having a digital vision board is 10 times more effective than a physical one because it's easier to access, it's easier to update, and I feel like when you have it on something digital or device, we live in the technology world, we're always on our devices, so we're definitely gonna see it more. And the more we see it, the more we're gonna visualize our goals or remind ourselves why we're doing something to get to that goal. In fact, the scholar in me found some research on Google, and I found a 2019 Psychology Today study, and I'm going to read this. I'm not memorizing it for you guys. This is my video. And they reported that we check our phone on average every 12 minutes. And that's about 80 times a day. And I'm pretty sure I check mine even more. And I'm sure you at home probably check it even more. So my theory is definitely proven. And it's going to give us more of an incentive to visualize and manifest. So the main goal overall is to just have a digital template that you can put in as many digital spaces as possible. For example, your lock screen and home screen on your phone, your desktop and screensaver on your laptop. Again, lock screen and home screen on a tablet, your Apple Watch if it fits, your phone case. Make a Pinterest board of it. Or even with iOS 14 just launching, you can create a vision board in your home screen on your application. So maybe you can have every app's cover a goal or just an image that you relate to and that you want to manifest. Without further ado, let's go into my laptop and phone and get some vision boards going. What is up, guys? I actually decided that we're gonna do this on my phone because it's a lot easier, it's a lot accessible for everybody. But the first thing we need to do is to get some images, so I'm heading over to Pinterest. And today I am actually deciding that since I got really festive today, I'm actually gonna do a fall themed board and just things that I'm really looking forward to in late October, like candy, pumpkins, watching Halloween Town, all four. I like the fourth one, I don't care. And really just collecting images that I like. You can put whatever you want on your digital vision board. It can be pictures from your phone, pictures from the internet, pictures from Pinterest, whatever you want, and literally just take all your goals or things that you just like looking at, things that motivate you, and get them. And the more specific you are, the more better it is. So if you have certain body goals, get some body inspiration. If you have goals for your grades, get an A+ or whatever goal grade you have, put it on your vision board. If you have any inspirational quotes, any motivational quotes, things that inspire you, things you want to do, places you want to see, get all those, head your camera roll. And you don't have to do this step, but I recommend that you get all the images and you actually put it into a photo album because this just keeps you more organized and it just gives you an album to go straight towards in the apps that we're going to go through. Okay, so the first app that we're using is Unfold, and this is a great app that's for Instagram stories that I like to use a lot. But if you just want like a simple vision board or a lock screen, this is really easy to use. They have a lot of great templates. Some are free, some are paid. I have the paid version only because I really use this app a lot and it was worth it for me to invest, but please do not feel obligated to buy everything. Really just do what's in your budget, what's into your heart's content. And I'm just finding a template, and actually the free version has lots of good templates for you to work from. It's not just like one package like most apps have for their free version. Like it's actually really good templates considering for the free membership. And I was very just indecisive here. I know it's just a collage, but I'm a perfectionist, and I ended up finding this paper mache looking one, and all you have to do is press the plus, get your camera roll access, and insert the images. Easy as ABC 1 2 3, but I actually needed some more, so I had to go back to my camera roll and get some more from Pinterest not a big deal. So once again, I'm adding the images and it looks amazing. It looks cute. I'm here for it. And you go to the top right corner to save it to your camera roll. And I was just fixing the images and the zooming and all that. And that's really all there is to it. Okay, so the next app we're using is Pixar, which I actually use again very frequently. And if you're new to the app, you just have to make a free account. There's no paid version of this. You just to do a free account. It's easy. Click on grid for collages and get all your images together, and it literally puts it into a template for you. Click on the 9 grid or whatever template you want. That doesn't really matter because we're going to adjust the ratio anyways. So what you're going to do is you're going to click ratio and scroll over to Instagram story. It has the 16 by 9 inch template right there for you. Then what I like to do is head over to border or ratio, I forget what it's called, and I literally just fix the thickness of the borders. Personally, I don't like the borders. You can do whatever you want, but just play around the features and see what goes to your heart's content. And I actually ended up zooming the images out a little bit because when you put it in your lock screen on your phone, it does zoom in a little bit. And then I was just picking a color. I couldn't decide between orange and black because, fall time, Halloween. We love to see it. By the way, comment your favorite Halloween movie if you're watching this video at this point. Mine is probably Scream or Halloween Town or Twitches, to be honest. The Disney original Halloween movies, those are the best. And save the images to your camera roll. And now you have 2 perfectly good lock screens. Now when you go to put them on your lock screen, it looks amazing. It's inspiring. Every morning you look at it, even on your laptop or your Apple Watch, it's just something motivating to look at. And whenever you're feeling unmotivated, you break away from your work, and obviously most of us are probably taking a social media break, and we look at our vision board and we kind of kick ourselves in the ass to be like, okay, Dante, if you want that A+, if you want those perfectly carved pumpkins, we gotta get going, get working, and just get everything done so we can have the income or the time to perfectly carve the pumpkins and buy the pumpkin. And this is actually mine that I'm showing with you. It has a lot of different things on it. So I have an A+, I have celebrities that I like, I have quotes that I like, I have what stands out to me, happy quote, anything really positive that I like. Once again, I have like my goal grade, and I also zoomed in to other stuff. Like down there I have the picture of Aggie Cromwell from Halloween Town because it's my favorite movie, and iced coffee, Grammys, whatever. It's just eclectic and a lot of things. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I can't wait to see your vision boards. Good luck, Goya, stay safe.